Hi friends, welcome back. It's Ro from In the Workplace, and today we're unboxing the Teddy Lulu bag charms. If you know me, you know I'm all about the holidays, especially Halloween and Christmas, but I'm also a huge fan of collecting cute things like this. That's why I wanted to start a new series called Cute Collectibles, where I can share more of my personality beyond just holiday DIYs and decorating. Lately, I've been feeling a little more anxious than usual, and I wanted to create content that isn't solely focused on the holidays. I've been feeling a bit overwhelmed trying to keep up with all the seasonal items coming out and coming up with new DIY ideas. So this series is really meant to bring me some comfort, and I hope it does the same for you and gives you a bit of joy and relaxation along the way. Anyway, with that out of the way, I'm really excited to unbox these. I've been waiting since DesignerCon, which is where I got these from. If you're looking to buy them online, you can get them from the official Lulu the Piggy website. Just keep in mind that you have to pay an import fee or the shipping fee on top of the cost of the whole set, or you can order them from Kikagoods here domestically if you're in the USA, so that you don't have to pay that fee. And I think if you buy the whole set right now until Black Friday, it is also like there's an additional percentage off and you get free shipping. But anyway, so I saw these online on some TikTok video, a lot of TikTok videos actually, and I was curious about them because I love trinkets. I'm a girl who loves trinkets and bag charms and things like that. It's just part of what I collect. I've always collected them, and if you've seen my previous like Bath and Body Works videos for the pocket bag holders or their hand sanitizer holders, you know that I love collecting things like this. So anyway, these are super adorable. A little bit of backstory. So there are 8 different Teddy Lulus. I believe this is the first series. There are 6 that are basically guaranteed if you get a whole set, and then there are 2 chase. And so I think you can compare the chase to the secrets for the Labubus. And then here though in Teddy Lulu, they're called the hidden Teddy Lulus. And so there's 2 of them. So the first one is 3 in 96 chances, and then the super hidden one or the super secret is 1 in 96 chances, which those are really difficult odds, but the hidden are super cute. I have one of them, and I don't know. It's like it's a lot, but I really like completing sets like this because I also like to give away the ones that I don't use after I'm, done admiring them in my collection, and I like to give them to like my friends or my family or anything like that. But that's just kind of what I like to do because I like cute things. So, I mean, who doesn't love a trinket? I mean, I know it can get overwhelming, but anyway, so these are by the company Toy Zero, and the artist is listed on the bottom in my description as well. But I think if you really love Labubu, you will absolutely love these Teddy Lulu because look at how cute this is, okay? It's adorable. The fur is really soft. The face is vinyl. So these are little piggies dressed up as teddy bears, which is super fun. And the keychain that's attached to it, I think it's pretty good. It's pretty standard. And then there's also a paracord attached to it, which is pretty sturdy. It's not just a cloth tag, which I really appreciate because a lot of the times I feel like that can kind of, wear over time. Same with paracord, but a little bit. Paracord is more durable, I would like to say. But yeah, so I ended up getting all 6. I did end up getting the secret in a different box, which I'm really happy about. But you can just tell the quality of these Teddy Lulu of how soft they are. Like, adorable. And here they are all together. So this is 7 of them. I'm missing the first hidden one, the 3 in 96 chances. I'm hoping to get it sometime soon. But I don't know. We'll see. I'm pretty happy with what I have here, but I still want to try to complete the set. But anyway, I post videos every Sunday at 12 p.m. PST, so if you like these videos, make sure you subscribe so you're notified every time I post a new video.